Today, we are going to install the Arduino IDE software. Before we move on, don't forget to check out Tutorial 1 and Tutorial 2 on our website. The link is in the description. First open the link given here or in the YouTube's description. Now click on the Mac OS software link. Then click on Just Download and again click on Just Download. Your software will start downloading. Now, click on the downloaded software. A new window will appear. Long press the Arduino IDE icon and drag it into the Applications folder. The software is now installed. Next, go to Launchpad and open the Arduino IDE. Congratulations! Your software is installed successfully. So we've learned how to install the Arduino IDE. In the next video, we're going to start working with the microcontroller. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below.